Hi there, what's up guys? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn how to cast our phone screen into our PC. In this video, we're going to use Let's View app on both our devices. It's a great tool. First of all, we have to download it on our PC and our phone too. It will work whether you have an iPhone or an Android. Also, if you have a Mac PC or a Windows one. All we have to do is to use same Wi-Fi. So let's get started. We search for letsview.com. Here it is. Now click on download it and the download button will appear down here. Now we click here to install it. Click for install now. After you change the language you want, I'm going to go for English, then install. Now it's installing. Let's wait for a moment. It's done. Now we close the windows. And we go to open the app from the desk, like so. We click on the app. Here it appears like that. We click on got it. Now we move to the second step. Let's use our phone now. Open the Play Store and search for Let's View app. It should be in the top. Now you press install. And once it's done, click to open the app. Great. Now we press on agree and here it's background. And now it's searching for devices in its same Wi-Fi, so make sure you both devices are. Bingo! Found it! It's named Let's View BSC. That's our PC's name. When you click, it shows you three options. The first one to cast our phone screen into our PC. The second one is to do the opposite. And the third one is not free, so we don't use it. For us, we're going to pick the first option to share our screen phone on the PC's screen. Now follow the instructions from your phone and give it the main permissions. Prior to that, you perhaps will be able to cast your phone on the PC and here is the result. You can adjust it and hear how you maximize the window. And this is how to do full screen. This pin bar here makes it always on the top other items. And this is to rotate the phone screen like that. You see? Isn't it cool? And then this allows you to draw stuff in your screen like lines, circles, whatever you want. Of course, you can undo what you have drawn by using this tool here. Or you can clean it all by using this brush tool. And today, the last feature allows you to record your screen. Isn't it amazing? Now you can see your recording after you're done from here. After this short video, I really hope it was useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe and put a comment. Take care.